Hello guys, so in this video we are going to build a app using Golang eco framework and then going to host it on Heroku. So we are going to link our code with Heroku using Github. So let's just create a Github repo there. So our repo has been created. Now we are going to clone it. So let's just go inside this. So as you see, we have only readme file inside it. Let's create some more file. So we need two more files to create. Go.mod and go.sum. So this is a simple program that I have written, and if you see inside go mode, our module has been created. As we haven't installed any other libraries external to go, so this is empty. So we are going to install the eco over here. We are going to make the API using the eco framework. Let's just import go. So we are going to create a server. Now we are going to create a API. So we have for that three methods. Actually, we have a lot of methods inside that, like get, put, post, delete, patch. Today we are going to use the get method only. So we are going to create a version function which will be going to be executed when this path is going to hit. Now we have to start our server on the address, so we have to create the we have to provide the host and the port on which we are going to start it. So I have written this function which is simply returning a key value pair with version and its value as 1. So when this path route is going to hit, we are going to execute this function, and over here I am providing this address on which our server is going to start. So the host is localhost and the port is 3000. Over here I'm just printing this address, and over here I'm starting a server. So if you see inside this go.sum, we have all the dependencies, and in go.mode, what are the packages we have used? So we have used echo, and with it Golang and crypto comes. Okay, so now let's just start our program. So using command go run main.go. So our server has been started on localhost 3000. So let's see. So if we hit it, so this is our first API that we have created, and it is returning version 1. So now to host it on the Heroku, we have to provide the port number because Heroku takes the port number from environment variable. So we have to create a env file, and from there we have to export this port. Okay. So now I have taken this port from env variable, and we have created a .env file. So over here I have defined this port and its value, and this is taking the value from that env file, and over here I am using it. So when I started the server, so it is running. Now we have to push this code to GitHub, and then we have to link it through Heroku. Okay, so let's see. So we have to add this file. Okay, so we have to push it now. So our code has been gone to GitHub repo. Let's see, yes, refresh it. Now we have to link this to the Heroku. So let's create a new app. So you have to sign up in the Heroku. I have already created an app, so I'm going to create a new app for this video. I'm going to give its name API. So this app has been created. Now you can host your code on this using these three methods. So Heroku Git, GitHub, and container registry. So I'm going to use GitHub. So I have already linked my GitHub to my Heroku account. So it's just a simple step. For the first time, you have to just give your password and authentication from GitHub. Then you can good to go. So I have to provide the repo name. So my repo is go eco. API. So I'm going to search. So now I will just connect it. So I have pushed all my code in this branch only, and I have only one branch. So you can choose your deploy branch also if you have multiple branch. And now I'm going to deploy it. So it will install the dependencies on the basis of go.mod and go.sum file. So it will take some time. So 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now it's completed and it show you a message. It is successfully deployed to Heroku. So we can see our app by clicking on it. So you see it is hosted on Heroku and we have created only one API. So it is giving us this response only. So suppose if we have to change it to version number, just a small change, I'm going to write this 2 and I have to again push this code. So I have pushed my code. Now we have this button enable automatic deploy. So whenever you push a code, if you enable it, it will automatically deploy, but I haven't enabled it as of now. So I have to click on this deploy branch again. So now if we click on this view, our version should be updated. So if you see, it has changed to 2. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this.